again.
Hi guys, welcome to my first episode of Vlogmas. Today I am going to a very special event because it's my sister's first ever film premiere. No, she's not an actress. She is actually a sound designer. This is December. No, it's not December. It's November the 1st. No, it's not. It's November the 30th today. November the 30th. We're gonna go out. It's gonna be amazing. My makeup is mostly done because I was filming earlier. I'm actually just gonna like try and smoke my eyes out a little bit. So I'm using the Urban Decay Born to Be Wild, Born to Run palette. It's called the Born to Run palette actually. This is not beauty guru behavior though, is it? Just to be putting my makeup on top of old makeup. So we're just gonna darken the whole thing up. There's a dark color in here called Drift. I can't even read. Oh my gosh. Do you know I've completely forgotten how to do a smoky eye? Oh, this is gonna be a mess. Zoom, baby, zoom. Now you guys can see the myth on my eyes. Now I'm literally going from grey to black. It's called Jet in this palette. I actually don't like this black because it's called Jet, but I don't really think it is Jet. I've experienced many a darker shade than this one. I want to know who has got, besides me of course, who's got the best Vlogmas going, because I need to find some Vlogmases to get into. I don't often watch Vlogmas, to be honest. Oh my gosh, my makeup looks absolutely horrible. What am I going to do about this? I don't have time. I don't have time for this atrocity right now. I hate this. Ew. No. I shouldn't have done this on top of other makeup. I have faith. I have faith. I mean, to be honest, if my faves are already posting, then I'm gonna watch my faves. Comment who your faves are, please. It's just like fun to follow along with the Christmas journey with people, you know? I don't know how I always end up in this situation where I don't have time. Like, I knew I was going to this, and yet here I am, running out of time again. I just like schedule too many things for myself to do, I think. I take on too many things. I spend too long doing them. I guess in some ways I'm a perfectionist. In most ways I'm not. Like, in most ways I'm just like, this needs to get done. So if it's done, it's done. You know what I mean? I'm like, we don't have time to do it anymore. You know, I'm just like, it's done. I'm gonna take some of this highlighter and put this on my inner corner. I have this little guy. This one's from Primark. This is the liquid glitter eyeshadow. I actually got this in my goodie bag when I was at a Primark event the other day. So it's like a Primark Beauty goodie bag. So it's got loads of products from Primark Beauty, like Christmas themed. And I wanted to wait and film a review of all of those products, but this one was just calling my name. It looked so good, so pretty. And it is. It's really nice. Oh, this is turning into a disaster. I think I fixed my makeup. I don't know. I left you guys on a bit of a cliffhanger at home, but this is how it looks. Everything looks weird on my vlog camera, but that's it. So I'm at Piccadilly now. I have to just wait for my sister. I don't know where she is, but look how pretty everything is. You actually can't see because it's focused on me, sorry. I didn't want my hair to go frizzy, so I just like put it up. So I don't know what's gonna happen with that. I'm just gonna have to take the hair tie out and hope for the best. Maybe she's on the tube. Should I call her? Well, it's ringing, so I guess that she's like not underground. She's not underground, she's just not picking up. Oh my god, pick up. Hello. Where are you? Okay, so we have a plan. I'm gonna go to Costa and sit in there, and she's gonna come and meet me, but she's late because I'm the only one that was on time, even though I'm always the one that's late. I'm still waiting for my sister, so I came into Costa and I was gonna get this hazelnut, my usual thing. I usually get like a hazelnut soy latte, but they had a Christmas one which was a hazelnut praline latte, so I was gonna get hazelnut praline soy latte, and then I saw like an orange spice thing and I thought, oh, spicy, I can be that today. And I chickened out the last minute, but then like the barista was like, no, go with the orange, so I went with the orange. I don't know, I can get into it. I have to get into it, but honestly, it tastes like somebody poured orange juice into a latte. It's really weird.
Is it good, darling?
I think I would prefer hazelnut.
No.
Yeah.
Hazelnut's your top one.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Next time, yeah? Sorry about that.
Send them my location. It says she looked at it and hasn't replied. Someone tell me how this girl can be lost. Literally, she was standing outside opposite it. I sent her the location. She was opposite it. She was opposite the place. How could she be lost? Oh, there you are. No, I didn't. Googled it. Oh, always tell you this. Hello. Look what they gave me. I don't know. Right, you know I always get hazelnut soy latte. It's my drink of choice. And I was going to get the hazelnut praline latte because they had a Christmas version. And then I saw caramelized orange latte and I was like, ooh, caramelized orange, that sounds nice. And then I chickened out because I was like, actually I don't know what orange coffee is going to be like, so I was like, no. But then the barista was like, no, get it, it's the best one. And it's disgusting. It tastes like somebody put orange juice in a coffee.
That's a really sad story. I thought it was going to be... No, it's really nice.
No, it's not. It's awful. I'm drinking orange juice coffee blend. No, this is the Primark curl cream. Look what it did. Look what it do. Look what it do. £2. Very, very nice. £2 product. 2 for £1, £1 product. Very, very nice. £1 product.
Yeah, I put them back just for to get my hair up.
I can understand why a lot of YouTubers drink coffee all the time. I don't drink coffee that much, but then when I do, I go like a little bit hype for about an hour after drinking the coffee, or like while I've got the coffee, I'm like a little bit hype, which is obviously more interesting to watch than when I haven't had coffee and I'm just like, yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I've got no energy. Cool. I think a lot of YouTubers drink coffee just so that they can be hyper for the video, so they can look more exciting. Well, there's that too.
Or because that's what they think we're up to do.
Yeah, I don't drink coffee that much. Only really when I come out. Like if I come out and I have to sit somewhere. Like if I come out and I've got nowhere to go, I just go to a coffee shop, and that's the only time I drink coffee, which is probably like once a fortnight.
But you don't have to get the coffee, you get like a tea.
Very true. It's because I like coffee. I just don't want to drink it that much. Do you want to be on camera? You don't. You're gonna be on camera tonight because it's your big day. Also, it's already like, it's already 6:10. Merry, Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. What flavor is it?
Lemon.
Without any fear. Is it fear or tear?
Fair.
So we're on our way down to the BAFTA. Alicia can walk very fast, even in heels. Oh, I could have gone to this Costa, it's closer.
I said that you could have gone to this Costa, it would have made life easier.
It would have done. But life hack for anyone with curly hair who doesn't want it to go frizzy, just put a scarf on it. It's what I do daily. We made it! We're at Alicia's first ever premiere. That's the movie, you guys, but I don't think obviously I can't show you too much, I don't think, because it's the premiere. We just watched Alicia's film and she was in the credits and it was really cool, and this is the BAFTA, and now we're going to go off to the after party, so let's go. So we just met this guy outside the BAFTA. He came up to us, what was he? He said, oh, is that a bar? And we were like, no, it's the BAFTA. And then what was he? He said, do you want to go to a bar? And we were like, no, we're going to the after party. Then he randomly started talking about Brad Pitt. It was quite nice.
He was quite nice.
It was quite nice, but it's just the way he was saying it. I'm from LA and I know Brad Pitt and I went to dinner with Leonardo DiCaprio. And here's a photo of me with Ed Harris. It was quite funny.
Post
better food. Yeah. Prep for post-best. Prep for post. Forget it.
So today is the 1st of December and I'm on my way to a dance class with Brendan. So I did my eye makeup differently today. I did it kind of like the wings are going down instead of going up. I don't know if that I think it looks really weird. I think it makes me look older. I have my laptop right there. I'm gonna do some editing. It's gonna take about half an hour and I'll see you guys at dance class. This thing is actually really good. So I actually made it on time somewhere for once. I'm actually early. I can't believe this. But look how Christmassy it looks around here. I have not been to dance class in so long. I guess they only just put these up recently. I don't know. I mean, this is London. They probably had the decorations up since like September. I think all this floor is new. Why am I telling you all this boring stuff? Everything I'm telling you right now is so boring. I'm sorry. Let's go inside. Hi, can I just pay the day rate, please?
Absolutely, £4. So you're paying card?
Yeah.
That's a really cool camera.
Thank you. It's my little vlogging camera.
Oh my god, amazing!
So now I just have to go up like 3 flights of stairs. I think it's just 3. I think we're on the 2nd or 3rd floor. And there'll be a class in there right now, I think. I might do 2 classes today. It depends what my energy levels are like. Hopefully that bounce ball did me some good. Right, that's where I'm going. Oh my gosh, I'm worn out already. That's not good. So this is the dance video. That's Brendan over there. I won't record people. I'm gonna have to blur out their faces, I think. Some people don't like being recorded, but I can hopefully show you the dance at the end. Hopefully. That was a good routine, but look how sweaty I am. Good job. Good job, everyone. I'm gonna get Brendan to say hello.
It's not what Vlogmas is.
It's a vlog every day for December.
Oh, I'm not doing that, but...
Oh, we can say hello.
Hi!
Hi, this is Brendan.
Don't check my Vlogmas out, because I'm not doing it. Hopefully you saw some of the class and you enjoyed it. If you didn't, go check out the videos and follow me on Instagram, Brendan_Hansford.
I'm gonna put it in the white bit right there. Are you doing another class right now?
Yeah, all level. You coming?
Yeah, I'll come, but I'll be awful. But I'll try. I'll try. I came to the next class, but this one's gonna be a lot harder, I think. So wish. So hard. I did not film myself doing the dance because I could not even get like the first 8 counts right. I just literally could not even get the first steps because everything moved so quickly. Like, I have to admit, like in the first dance that you guys saw, I kind of practiced that at home first, but I didn't practice the second one before I went. So it was like all completely new to me. And also it's like twice as fast and there's twice as many moves in half as much time. So it's like my head just can't wrap around it. It's like I could do the moves. It's like when Brendan shows me the moves, it's like, okay, yeah, I can do that, I can do that, I can do that. And then when he says go and do it, I'm like what the heck? Like my brain doesn't function. Like I can't remember a single thing. So I'm gonna head home now. I'm absolutely starving. I have to get on the tube though. And it's absolutely ramo.